guys, and welcome to Rant TV. Pete the Surfaroo, Jono here from the Ambassador Cafe. Mate, it's a pleasure meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Now, for all those viewers out there, every morning, lunch and dinner, we do have a coffee, cappuccino, mocha, but we sort of just do it as a daily event, and people don't actually know what goes into making a coffee. It's not just easy, just get behind the machine and make a coffee, mate. Tell us from the procedure, from start to finish, what you actually do to create this magnificent coffee.
Oh, well, there's a lot of steps to that. It takes a couple of years to perfect. Well, first of all, you need a good setup. You need a grinder, you need a coffee machine, you need a tap, you need OCD. There's a lot of stuff, but how we do it over here is we grind our coffee, we dose it to get more consistency out of every single shot, and then we tamp it, we collapse it, and we extract. And depending on how long the extraction is, we go either finer or coarser.
Sounds great. Now, what sort of coffee beans are we using here?
We're using Elevates, which is from Veneziano Coffee Roasters. They are situated in Melbourne, but there's a roastery in Brisbane.
Right, because every cafe has their own black brand, and some are better than others and creamy, and there's different textures and whatever. Now, away from this, now the creative design part of the coffee, which you get in the morning, you most probably just scoff it down and don't even look at, and you put all this hard work in. Now, you've actually trained to do these creations. Now, how long has it taken you to learn these different creations?
It's mainly just day-to-day training. It's taken me about 2 years to learn these patterns. It does take, it's mainly more about controlling your milk, how much you're pouring out at that second, how much you're pushing in, and yeah. So it's first of all it was steaming, how to steam the milk perfectly, how to get the temperature right, and the microfibers, bubbles and stuff. Yeah.
Wow. It's amazing stuff. It's a lot of chemistry to actually create a creation like this. It's great stuff. Now, how many designs can you actually do?
I'd say probably around 10.
10.
11, yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little piece here on your average day coffee, what goes into the effort of creating these designs. And of course, we have skinny and flat whites and cappuccinos, all these different mochas.
Yeah, milks as well.
Yeah. What's the most popular coffee at the moment that people ask for?
It'll be flat white.
Flat white, that's my style. Skinny flat white, Pete the Surfaroo, Jono. We're here at the Ambassador Cafe. See you soon. Rant TV. Bye for now.